Fox News legal analyst Gregg Jarrett joins us now. So, Greg, weigh in here. I saw on the Sunday shows they really took this on about the Secretary of Homeland Security's words and that, quote, domestic terrorism. This is actually a legal term that has been debated for years. What is your view on the situation here?
Well, Lawrence, domestic terrorism is actually defined as violence by individuals or groups driven by extreme political ideologies to try to affect government conduct through coercion, criminal acts. And, you know, a vehicle's a deadly weapon. And if you weaponize it to harm a federal officer, if you're doing it because you politically disagree with ICE enforcing the law, then sure. I mean, it could be described as domestic terrorism. Look at the database. It's filled with cases involving vehicles as domestic terrorism. And, you know, in the end, there's really no excuse under the law for resisting or fleeing law enforcement and accelerating your SUV with an officer either in front of it or perpendicular. That puts him in harm's way, triggering the law of self-defense. And the legal test is whether this officer at that moment reasonably believed his life was in danger. If the answer is yes, he does have a right to use lethal force. And in fact, in Minnesota, there's a specific law that allows officers to use deadly force by shooting at an oncoming vehicle. So I think the secretary may be correct here.